sitting there is Sawyer. There's Sawyer. And there's Tucker deciding to get on Condi's case. There's Sawyer playing with Condi. Daria keeps jumping on me. Boys! He's going to get mad at you right away, then you're in trouble. See? Told you. There we go. Nice little break off. Yeah. Yeah. Get off me. Get off. There's Caesar right here. There's now we've got Caesar and Sawyer playing together. In and out hidey holes. Caesar says, I'm on top. Haha. We got a lot of tale told by an idiot, full of sound and fury, signifying nothing. They're a vocal group. Caesar says, I'm on the castle. I don't care what those lowly beings do. Where's that Caesar? He looks like he's going to have a beautiful donut on his tail. And there's the Daria, the queen of the establishment. Of course, her mother begs to differ. That's Rafik, who's going to Cape Cod. And here's Zeb, who I hope stays local, because I really don't want to lose touch with this little guy. He may not make a show dog. I don't know. He's improving a lot, but I'm real fond of him. Children, enough. Crazy galoots.